recognize is for academic excellence, and that's Reese Arrington. Come on up, Reese.
That's mine. Look how red his face is.
Reese is getting his award for academic excellence. And what that means is this is one smart guy. He really does a nice job, really, in every subject in first grade. Reese is also a really independent worker. He's a great reader. He knows those sight words. He does a great job in math. But what I really like about Reese is he really likes to take risks. He likes those hard stories and those hard math problems. And he really tries to figure those out, and he really takes his time and does a nice job and puts a lot of effort into everything he does. There was a math paper the other day where they were doing half of something, and this guy had so many different ways to make one half. It was really awesome. He just did such a great job with that. So Reese is getting his award for academic excellence. You keep up the good work, Reese. Congratulations. Award goes to my good citizen, and that